The MIB extension identifies a management information-based file containing SNMP network device, monitoring definitions, and object identifiers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load, compile, or troubleshoot these network management definition files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange MIB formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. MIB files are management information base definition files for SNMP Simple Network Management Protocol containing structured definitions of manageable objects on network devices. They define the OID object identifier, tree variables, and traps available for network monitoring. MIB files use ASN1 abstract syntax, Notation 1 format with SMI structure of management. Information macros defining object type, module identity, and notification type elements. They establish hierarchical OID trees, mapping numeric identifiers to human-readable variable names. The fundamental reading standard for MIB is set by Paessler PRTG Network Monitor from Paessler AG. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows cannot verify whether settings are correct, so improper edits may cause problems. The first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the MIB file and click Open With. Test Paessler PRTG Network Monitor if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. When a MIB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, loading an NMS. Import MIB files into your network management system such as SolarWinds PRTG or Nagios. Navigate to the SNMP MIB management section and import the MIB file. The NMS compiles the definitions enabling monitoring of the vendor-specific SNMP variables defined in the MIB. Next, compiling MIBs. Use the net SNMP MIB compiler by running SNMP translate m+wa path 2 MIBs mall to verify MIB syntax. Resolve any compilation errors including missing dependent MIBs and syntax issues. Compiled MIBs enable OID to name translation for SNMP operations. Finally, troubleshooting SNMP. If SNMP queries return numeric OIDs instead of names, the required MIB file is not loaded. Import the vendor's MIB files into your SNMP tools. Most network equipment vendors provide MIB files on their support websites for download alongside firmware and documentation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.